So screen recording on your Samsung tablet is pretty easy. All you have to do is just pull this down here. And then let's go ahead and pull this down even further to expose the other options that we have. And then you see right here, it says screen recorder. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then you have a couple options. You can record the screen with no sound. I'm just gonna go ahead and select none for now. Click start recording, gives you a nice little countdown here. And then you'll see in the top right hand side, right here, gives you the option to either pause your video, resume it, or once you're done doing all the recording, you can go ahead and click on stop. And then last but not least, to find your recording, just go into the gallery here, and you will see that this is your video that was recorded today. Nice 11-second video. And as you can see here, it shows you the contents on your screen. So that's how you easily go ahead and do the screen recording on your Samsung Galaxy tablet.